Namaste and welcome to our channel. Ganesh Chaturthi brings joy, devotion, and blessings into our homes, but it also leads to one of the most emotional moments, the Ganesh Visarjan. Have you ever wondered how to properly perform the Ganesh Visarjan and ensure you are following the rituals and traditions correctly? In today's video, we are going to take you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to perform the Ganesh Visarjan at home or in your community, so that your prayers reach Lord Ganesha and he blesses you with wisdom, prosperity, and happiness. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and devotional content. Now, let's get started. What is Ganesh Visarjan? First, let's quickly understand what Ganesh Visarjan is. It is the ritual of immersing the idol of Lord Ganesha in water, symbolizing his return to Mount Kailash, taking with him all the misfortunes of his devotees. This marks the conclusion of the Ganesh Chaturthi festival, which is celebrated for 1.5, 5, 7, or 10 days, depending on tradition. The immersion is not just a farewell. It is a way to remind us that all forms are temporary and to embrace the spirit of detachment. Preparation for Ganesh Visarjan. Now, let's talk about how to prepare for Ganesh Visarjan. The first step is deciding the right time for the immersion. Most people do the Visarjan on the 1.5 th, 5th, 7th, or 10th day after Ganesh Chaturthi. However, the immersion should ideally take place during daylight, either in the morning or late afternoon. It's best to consult a local priest or follow family traditions to choose the best time. Next, ensure that the Ganesh idol is ready for the journey. Clean it gently using a soft cloth and sprinkle some holy water over it. Decorate Lord Ganesha with fresh flowers, garlands, and any other offerings you want to present before the immersion. Before the immersion, you'll need to perform a final Aarti, prayer. Gather essential items like kumkum, vermilion, rice, flowers, betel leaves, a coconut, incense sticks, a lamp, and sweets like modak, Lord Ganesha's favorite. You'll also need a metal or earthen pot with holy water, which will be poured over the idol during the puja. The final Ganesh Aarti. Now comes the important part, the final Aarti. This is a heartfelt moment when devotees express gratitude and ask Lord Ganesha to return next year, bringing blessings once again. Light the incense sticks and lamps. Begin by chanting the Ganesh Aarti or bhajans that are dear to you. During this time, offer flowers, kumkum, and rice to the idol, signifying your devotion. You can also perform the symbolic abhishek, pouring water or milk over the idol as a sign of reverence. Finally, perform the Aarti with a lit lamp, circling it around the idol. Once the Aarti is done, recite the Ganpati Bappa Morya, Pujya Varshi Lav Karya mantra, which means, O Lord Ganpati, come again next year soon. This is an emotional moment where you invite Lord Ganesha back for the next year. The Visarjan process. Once the final Aarti is complete, it's time to immerse the idol in water. But how do you do this in a meaningful way? Take the idol and place it in a tray or basket, ideally one made of natural materials. Ensure that you carry the idol with devotion and care, as this is a significant moment. Family members can chant Ganesh hymns or mantras as the idol is carried out of the house. In some communities, there is a joyful procession with drums and music. Even if you're doing this at home, keep the mood devotional and joyful. If you are performing a community Visarjan, you'll most likely immerse the idol in a river, lake, or the sea. However, if you're doing it at home or prefer an eco-friendly alternative, you can immerse the idol in a bucket or tub of water. Ensure that the water is clean and untreated with chemicals, as we must respect the environment during this sacred ritual. When you are ready for the immersion, say a final prayer, thanking Lord Ganesha for his blessings. Gently lower the idol into the water, allowing it to dissolve naturally. If you are using a tub or bucket, ensure that after immersion, you pour the water into a garden or under a tree, giving it back to nature in an eco-friendly way. post-Visarjan rituals and cleanup. The Ganesh Visarjan doesn't end with the immersion. There are a few things to keep in mind after the Visarjan. Once the idol has been immersed, you can distribute sweets like modak or laddus to family members and neighbors as prasad, a blessed offering. It's also customary to visit the local temple or donate to charity, marking the end of the festival with kindness and goodwill. If you perform the Visarjan in a water body, make sure to leave the area clean. The same goes for home Visarjans. Tidy up the place where the immersion was performed and ensure that no harmful materials are left behind. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully completed the Ganesh Visarjan with devotion, tradition, and care. Remember, Lord Ganesha will always be with you, even though the idol has been immersed. His blessings stay in our hearts and homes. We hope this step-by-step guide has made the Visarjan process clear and easy for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Himanshu Thakkar for more such informative and spiritual content. Ganpati Bappa Morya. See you next year with more devotion and celebration.